This is my family.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Ang plano namin ngayon, mauuna ako kasi I have to be there para sa press event kasi may press event daw. May press event. Ayun, may press event tapos susunod na lang silang tatlo later. Magkikita-kita na lang kami mamayang gabi. So, okay. Let's go na. Pasensya na kayo, hindi na ako nag-vlog guys ha, kasi ngarag na ako. In-upload ko yung favorites video, so nandun na siya sa main channel. Tapos nagkita kami ni Sir Paul Maynard kanina. Pumunta siya dito actually, kaso hindi na siya, dapat sasama ko siya kaso sabi niya, hindi yata siya prepared. Sasama ko siya dapat ngayon kasi ako lang mag-isa papunta doon. Sabi ko baka gusto niya sumama. Ayun. Pero magkikita naman kami ng Sunday, kasama ko siya sa meet and greet. Okay, let's na guys. Kahit pinlansya ko yung polo ko, mukha pa rin siyang lukot. Anyway, dala ko na yung maleta namin para hindi na mahirapan si kids later. Mamaya siguro kami magkikita. Basta hintayin nila makauwi si Jaya tapos ako sila susunod dun sa hotel. Okay, grabe, ngarag ako. Yeah. Hi. Andito na kami sa van. Papunta na kami dun sa Google. Ayun si Ana. Hi. Andito sila, Jaden. Naalala niyo yun guys, kasi alam ko pinakita ko sa vlog yun. May ginagaya kami ni Jaden na yung video niya yung ginagaya namin. And dito si Jaden. Mamaya papakilala ko sa inyo guys ha. Mag-iipon muna tayo ng English. Hi! Wow, ganda ng view dito ah. Wow. Hi, this is Joanna. What videos do you do?
I do health and fitness videos, and it's my first time in Manila. It's been really nice so far.
Thank you.
First time in Manila.
That's what I look like. I'm a real. You have legs. So
Hi. Hi.
What?
Sorry, Mappy. Papa, hindi ko nakasama. May table sila dito. Oh. Actually, gustong sumama nun ni kids. Kaso, hindi available yung biyenan ko. Kaya walang babatay sa mga bata. Pero gusto niya talaga sumama dito. Tapos na kami kumain. Ulit si Ana. Early bird. Ana. Ayan si Christine, nandito na rin. Hi, Christine! Kaya, ilan pa lang kami. Kunti namin. Ayun dyan si Zay. Ayan. Kararating lang. Ang lamig dun sa pwesto namin. Sabi ko, I need coffee. Ayan si Anne. Sabi niya, ayun na ate, may coffee. Baka kainin ako ng machine. Anne?
Anne ko? One coffee for Anne.
Yeah. Cafe latte. Ay, ano yan? Hot yan, diba? Hot naman, no?
Pag daw gusto lagyan ng ice,
I see. Okay.
tapos hindi mo daw siya pwede lagyan ng glass kasi yung ano niya, cup. So, cafe latte.
Galing.
High-tech mo.
Sana may gina kami sa bahay. Pag may kape, gano'n yun.
First room highlighter.
Sarap magtrabaho dito sa Google, no?
Bukol ko nga rin kasi nagtrabaho.
No, sarap magtrabaho dito. Parang, pwede kong mag-ano lang, may setup ka lang, gusto mo dito ka daw magtrabaho. Diba? Habang nasa cafe. Yeah.
Pwede daw, kahit YouTuber.
Hindi, sila. Sa kanila.
Oo, kahit
Thank you, Anna.
Sige, I'll wait for you.
Ang sarap nung ano, yun yung adobo pasta. First time ko makatikim ng adobo pasta. Super sarap. Nandito si Zendy, guys. So, ayun, no, mamaya chikahin natin siya. Ha? Kanina magkasama na kami, magkatabi na kami.
What are the breeds of your
All
farm?
are Pomeranians.
All Pomeranians. Do you know which one's which?
Yes, yes.
What's your name again? I won't watch the whole.
Okay.
But your dogs are great.
It was my first ever vlog. I was too shy to speak on camera. So I was just filming my dogs.
And now you're speaking in front of all these
Yay!
kids. Look at yourself.
Yay!
You're so good.
Kasi sinasabotahe ka ni Enrique dito. Lahat kami pinakita yun. Ay, hindi naman sila. Pinakita yung mga first videos.
Does anyone know what's
Cool.
Everybody says you're amazing. Tell me what I don't know. What I love about you is how
You're so cute!
A lot of workout videos, recipes, fitness tips, a little bit of travel vlogs, but I don't do any vlogs at the moment right now. I started my channel back in March 2013, so it's exactly 4 years now. So moving forward, I would really want to sort of like expand and grow my channel into a female network, hopefully. So I'm really interested to work with any female YouTubers who, you know, do beauty, lifestyle, fashion, and things like that. So I really want to go and expand more besides health and fitness.
Subscriber base at the moment, I'm on 970,000.
almost at that million?
Yeah. So yeah, so that's really exciting, and I'm happy to be here in the Philippines. This is my second time here. My goals for this year and my goals for the future, just really you know, what I really want to do is just connect with a lot of the followers that have gotten me this far and have subscribed to my channel, and just say thank you, whether it's just like hosting some like, you know, free dance tutorials or just meet and greets with them, just to personally say thank you and give back to them. I wouldn't be doing this without them, and that's pretty much one of the reasons why I really continue to upload videos onto YouTube. When I started, it was just a hobby. I had an account just to watch my favorite YouTubers and subscribe to them, and then I started to upload videos for my students that I taught, so they had something to watch, and then I started to get these other eyes onto what I was doing, and they wanted more.
Last year, like out of nowhere, she started uploading consistently. That's when you can see her viewership really spike.
Ay, napanood ko to.
Pupunta sana ako nung meet and greet. Meet and greet niya.
Hi ka kay Aisha. Hi, Ate Aisha. Your number one fan, Aisha. I love you, Sadie, guys.
Start lang sa mag-vlog dahil kay Aisha.
Oo, Aisha, narinig mo yun dahil sa'yo.
Alam mo yan. Oo.
Kakanta ka ba? Kanta ka. Oo. Kahit bukas.
Pero di ba sabi niya, oo, kakanta ako.
Our creators and our press and our friends from Ayala and Globe here in one place with us here at Google. This is a very informal gathering, you have noticed.
Today is a special day for us for Google because not only because we have you today, but you know we have an event called TGIF. We do this every week, and only once a week we have alcohol. And today happens to be a Friday, so we have alcohol tonight. But again, it is indeed an honor that we're the help of our YouTube content creators or the partners that we have here. And the thing about YouTube is the reason why it's so powerful, not just because you could find everything you need, but the fact that it democratizes or enables every single individual who is passionate about a certain cause or creative to reach an audience and to be able to engage. And I think that's the reason why, even for here in the Philippines, we still have a long way to go to build a very thriving YouTube creative ecosystem. But you know, even with all the possibilities that YouTube could do, we could not do this alone. And I think that's why we have this creating a partnership for us for the YouTube launch, and at the same time our partners from Globe.
We are very happy with the partnership with YouTube and looking forward to more projects with you. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of my colleagues in this Mirna Fernandez.
I'm very excited and privileged to introduce each of them to you, and later on you'll also have the chance to do a little bit of Q&A with them. In store for us in the next 2 days. Tomorrow we'll be having a full-day workshop with some of Asia's top creators, Filipino creators included, of course.
Alright, andito na kami. 11:17. Yun. Wow! Oh! Wala pa si Mama. Come in. Ooh! Ano yan? Ano to? Welcome kit. Ooh! And minibar. Okay na ba? Kaya natin yung room. Dito ka magstay hanggang Monday. Hanggang Monday tayo na. Maligayang pagdating, Miss Klutz. Tingnan mo yung spelling, Jeo. K-L-U-T-Z.
Ang daming press. May GMA, ABS-CBN. Nakakaloka. Parang in-explain namin kung ano yung mga ginagawa namin as YouTuber. Alam mo na ba, muntik na ako pumasok dito kasi ito yung una, yung CR ng boys. Dapat dyan ang papasok kanina. Pinaka-malamig na office ever dito sa Google. Lapang tayo. What's your name again? Ready from Cosmo. Thank you. Paella.
Dito kami sa supermarket ng market. Ano, noodles? Ang laki ng kanilang park, shopping park. Yan ang aming short shopping.
Hi! Hi, Maman! Wala ka!
Kasalubong namin sila dito.
Can be sports, can be history, can be movies, TV, anything. Local, international, ask anything, okay? I'll ask you the question twice, then I'll count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, then you raise your board. So it's not a race. Alright? Which mall is that? 5, 4. Okay, so there's some movie lines, there's some movie lyrics. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. The way that you flip your hair makes me cool. But when you smile at the ground, wait, loud. Okay, a block already. Okay, so first, Yamon is blocking Jay-Z, so you can put that answer down. It won't count. Here we go.
Go, Anna.
Here we go. The stars come out, and all that counts is here and now. My universe will never be the same. Everyone get all the stuff cards. Everybody coming from each other. No one has an answer. We're all guys. Check out from Jay-Z. Next one. If you don't, I will look for you. I will find you. Oh, wait. The artist. Alright, artist. I need you. I gotta see you for the world tonight.
Oh God. Something behind the songs.
Si Ana wala ng mata.
I know, okay? First one to go down loses for their team. Alright, ready? In 10 seconds we start. 10, 9.
Balik na kami sa hotel.
Girl, tulog ka
Okay
na
ka lang,
tonight.
Pinaplano ko mag-edit yun. Hindi na, matulog na tayo. Matulog na. Good night. Good night. Uy, balik mo na tayo sa hotel.
Ayan, may plano pa naman tayong magkulitan later.
Oo nga eh.
Wala eh, nilasing nila ako.
Loko-loko ko.
Isay kasi!
Say na tayo sa say.
Hey, I'm here. Dulong ano pala tayo very good. So, kumusta kayo dyan? Ha? Maganda yung view? Ha?
Doon pala yung maganda, pero...
Hello! Yabang mo ah. Hindi ka na mamansin dyan ah. Kiss mo naman ako. Yabang mo ah. Oo, babalik. Thank you. Aba? Bakit mainit dito?
No, napatay niya kasi pag lumalaw sa CR.
Nakalap. Surrender to, diba? Saan kayo kumain kanina?
Jollibee.
Market? Ang lapit lang pala nito, no? Tawid lang. Market na.
Tawid lang kami.
Okay naman yung schedule ni Mama? Okay naman? Video taga-check ng Content Lab na schedule eh. Ano sabi sa schedule? May free time si Mama? Wala akong free time tomorrow. Tuloy-tuloy yung ano ko from 9 a.m. hanggang 9 p.m. Wala. Fully booked si Mama tomorrow. Pero may free time ako ng Sunday. Tama ba? Sunday na yun. Dito. Okay. Ano yan? Free time to? Oo nga, free time nga yung tinuturo ni Joe. Ayun, free time ko daw. Ayan, 9 to 12. Galing mo talaga, Tutoy. You love it here? Happy ka dito? Happy ka. Grabe yung Google. Wala akong masabi sa kanila. Talagang overflowing yung alak doon sa kanila. Papa, sana kasama kita. Sana next time, kasama na kita doon. Nainggit ko si Papa. Dapat na sana. Paano naman kita masasama? Paano naman to? Check mo muna yung schedule ko. Dito ka, dali. Check mo yung schedule ni Mama. Ang galing umakit ah. Wow. Kumusta naman kayo dito? Namasyal kayo? Market. Ayun. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight early para makapagpahinga kasi bukas maaga kami. Oh, yeah. Good night, guys. May Netflix. Wala. May Netflix. Wala. Hindi siya smart TV. Oh. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Dala may HDMI. Ito, seryoso na. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, Jude!